Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply manage folders in your iOS 14 iPhone. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is let's just choose games here, and I don't know, I'm going to choose like this one will be away. So when I'm going to hold the finger on my home screen, I can simply uninstall, or I can take my application and just create a folder by just, okay, done. Okay, and it just went away, nice. So I will just find the Monopoly again here. And you can simply add it here if you want to. To move it away, again, I'm just taking away. To move games away. See? Now what can I do? Take Monopoly again and paste it into games. And then I can like move the folder and everything. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And this is how you can manage your folder in iOS 14. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you have a great day and goodbye.